Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, private sector to manufacture LRLACM, that is Long Range Land Attack Cruise Missile. The IAF has taken a significant step in bolstering its defense capabilities by issuing an expression of interest (EOI) for the development and manufacturing of a long-range land attack cruise missile. The IAF's vision includes the creation of a long-range cruise missile with a range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 0.8 Mach, all while maintaining cost-effectiveness to allow to mass deployment. This missile is expected to feature independent navigation, support multiple types of warheads, and to be tailored for land-based targets. Next, induction of all indigenous Dhanush artillery systems by 2026. IA, that is Indian Army, has successfully inducted and operationalized 2 regiments of indigenous Dhanush artillery systems in high-altitude areas along the northern borders. Each regiment comprises 18 guns, marking a significant milestone in India's defense capabilities. Next, trials of Helina and Dhruvastra anti-tank guided missiles from LCH Prachand. HAL, a state-owned Indian company, is planning to carry out trials of the indigenous Helina and Dhruvastra anti-tank guiding missile system from the light combat helicopter Prachand. This decision comes despite the weapon system already receiving clearance for operational usage from the advanced light helicopter platform, which shares similar avionics and systems. Next, proposal to buy Pralay ballistic missiles for Indian Army. In a major boost to its firepower, the Defense Ministry has approved the procurement of a regiment of Pralay ballistic missiles for the Indian Army for deployment along the line of actual control and line of control, that is, borders with China and Pakistan respectively. Next, IIT Jammu has developed anti-GPS jamming identification devices. 2 projects to develop devices for protecting all GPS-enabled assets from jamming and identifying friendly forces during counter-terrorism operation along the LOC and hinterlands are nearing completion, officials said. 7 major projects, including these 2 ventures of anti-GPS jamming and identification friend or foe IFF devices, are part of the design and development being undertaken by IIT Jammu and CST Advanced System Private Limited in a joint collaboration. Next, production of C-295 aircraft in India will be a game changer. The production of 40 Airbus C-295 medium tactical transport aircraft in India will be a game changer, as it would facilitate the creation of a world-class aerospace ecosystem in the country that would help in manufacturing other planes in the long run. Indian ambassadors to Spain, Dinesh K. Pathak, said here. Next, repatriation of Indian naval veterans detained in Qatar. It has been more than a year since 8 Indian naval veterans were taken into custody in Doha by Qatar Ministry of Interior. They are currently undergoing trials in Qatar under local laws, with the next hearing scheduled for October 3rd. Encouragingly, there is a growing optimism that they may be repatriated to India by November, as developments in their judicial trial appear to be progressing positively. Next, spectacular air show, first time ever in Jammu on September 21st and 22nd. All necessary arrangements, including a tight security cover, have been finalized for the first of its kind air show by the Indian Air Force here on September 21st and 22nd, officials said on Sunday. Thank you.